Okay, hi. So we're going to put the double tape. Let's some jacuzzis.
We are all aware of the evidence.
This one is done.
But rest assured, we take Trey's abduction and all kidnappings seriously. We will find your son.
I scanned the photo of Trey and sent it to Special Investigation Division. It's being forwarded to the Real-Time Crime Center for the Amber Alert, and also to be distributed to Patrol.
Now, oftentimes,
These two done.
Always there for my son, Kyle, since his mother passed, my wife. What can I tell you?
Parang may dalawa akong speaker ng computer sa bahay. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Alam ko. Ha?
Meron din ako.
Hmm?
Meron din ako. Pares sa tayo.
Hindi ko alam.
Malakas yung sa'yo.
Hindi ko pa ina-open.
Hindi mo pa na-try.
Wow, that's so cute. Actually, that one is done. Ooh, ooh.
Saka tumitingin ng mga movies.
Don't mind
Nahanap na
that,
yung S-line?
because my dad is watching a movie.
First line na.
Korean.
Daddy, don't make it too loud.
Ang S-line. Can't you see the map? Andiyan.
Masaya nung araw ko kanina. Parang
Ouch.
ano.
The tape keeps on poking me.
Ang ganda nga ng buhay ko this year. Kabisit-bisit.
Saan ka ba?
Why you not sleeping?